Before setting up this our Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, kari wakal khanja kibagi hana khanja phungdok chaba kanda akoi iram da Manipur si sana leibak ni aduga manigi leibak Manipur ni hana koina angang pisak weringai dagi hek tajarakpa ahalaman sing na sutak pirakpa adugum laba nungsi khraba ireibak iramdam amakhakni iramdam Manipur se ado ngasi mak akoina thenajariba aduga angan matam dagi sum thenajaraga lakhiba haibetare series of koigi awabagi nungaibagi awabagi sarukna ayambe helaga lakpa iramdam amakhak oi haibadi every angle da ado akoina angan matam dagi akoina khangjarakpa tajarakpa se iramdam sigi yamna saukhatlaba haibetare koi culture ko yamna saukthok chariba aduga amuksu sports kilamda thoito hendokpa matik magul leraba iramdam yamna tiny state ni yamna very small state ni haijabagi wani asuki matik phajaba akoina across the globe and across the country as well thibada it will be very rare sidi akoi khudimang adum khangaba amakhak ni ado akoi the Seng na ay nagang oring dagi kanjarakhiba haidi khara sum kano torokan akoi awaba sigi saruk sa amak pupang na lakhib hai tare isa gi personal kano dasu adu sum gyang khaga tajarakan da just after completion my graduation koi sikai to koi ai kana kanjarakan da to set up a finance company amaka lingkhat ba mathau tai what kind of financial institution is there to be setting up haiba kan da koi state ki level da aduga national ki level da international level ki thakta lakpa yaba that type of financial institution must be there in the state of Manipur haiba wakhalo namaka fil tawjakhibani adu isor khamdukurum jaraka matam chan haijabatare this our Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited was set up in the year 7 September 2005 at Repok Impal lingkhatlakhiba makhakni kamaina housing finance company si set up tawribano haibagi wakhalon dudi financial activities in when I compare to all the financial activities among those activities housing finance company amabu set up tawang ngamjakhraba sibu akoina license phangba ngamkhraba adu oitaragadi other than housing all kinds of different financial activities by khatpadudi it would be very rare in future haibo wakhalona si thamjaraga this our Panthoibi Housing Finance Company set up in the year 7 September in amuri pattawjari base adu magi series of magi struggle tawrakhiba magi license phangnabagi haibadu dai tension jage hana soina mamang khara palaga du lakh sakre adu ultimately it was registered with National Housing Bank wholly owned by Reserve Bank of India in the year 2009 1st October before registered with National Housing Bank it was registered with ROC under the Companies Act 1956 in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India sumaina chapter wise lakpani today in course of time, in due course, by the grace of God, hajarakanda, koi Panthoibi hari ba imai be masigi minglen phajakhraba koloi minglen si logjaraga title tawjakhibani imadi sayon makhan pubini ado ngasidi Panthoibi Housing Finance Company Limited adoga and its subsidiary group of companies ase akoi imai be malingsin bikhrabani akoi khudi makse imai be magi macha masu ngakdani